Good morning, students. Welcome back to your online classes. I am Rajni Sharma from Royal International School, and this video is for class 4th. Okay, student, and the subject is English grammar. Students, this is your English grammar book, and we have already studied chapter 1, chapter 2, and today we are discussing the chapter 3rd, kinds of sentences. In my previous video, I have already told you about the kinds of sentences. So let's take a recall. I'm just going you remind that what is a sentence. Student, listen to me very carefully. A sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense or that makes complete sense. Is that clear to you? Now, the parts of sentence. A sentence has two parts. As you read in second chapter, the sentence has two parts. Is that clear? Okay. The name of two parts are, first one is subject, as we see in every sentence. Are you getting me? We see in every sentence, it is subject, and the another part of a sentence is predicate. Predicate. Is that clear? It is subject of the sentence, and the remaining part except this or except subject is predicate. Is that clear, student? Now, in our previous video, we have talked about the kinds of sentence. As you know very well, there are four kinds of sentence. First one is assertive, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, and the last and fourth one is exclamatory. Is that clear, student? Okay, now we will discuss about how do we make a sentence and what are the things which we need to make a sentence. So, let's come on the exercise. First, when we are going to make a sentence, first of all, we need subject. What do we need? Subject. So, we should know what is a subject itself. Is that clear? हमें पता होना चाहिए कि सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में होता क्या है. बेटा, one thing very clearly, I just make you clear. We use noun and pronoun at the place of subject. Okay, students? कोई भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान, जगह का नाम, पर्सन का नाम, सर्वनाम, जिसे हम हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं, जैसे ही, सी, इट, आई, वी, यू, दे. These are the pronouns. We use these words at the place of subject. Or subject can be in one word or more than one, more than two. Is that clear, student? So, first of all, we need subject. And subject should be very clear in your mind. You should know how to recognize subject, how to write the subject. Is that clear? The second thing is verb. Second thing is verb. Is that clear? So, I hope you all know about verb. What are the verb? The word which give us the sense of action, like jump, walk, speak, listen. Is that clear? These are the verbs. So, we can identify easily in a sentence, and we should know, it is must. You should know how to recognize the verb. The third one is object. The same thing. Object, beta. Object, the same as we use in place of subject. The same thing. Noun and pronoun we use in the place of subject. Object की जगह पर भी हम noun, pronoun को use करते हैं. Is that clear, student? So, now it is complete. To make a sentence, we need subject, verb, object, and the more one is other adverb of place, but you will read them at highest gender. Is that clear? There is one thing also, adjective. Okay, and there are different kinds of adjective also. We will discuss another time. Is that clear? If you find subject, verb, object a part of this, you just need not to give the name. Okay, no one will ask you what are the name. Is that clear? So now come on the exercise. In that exercise, write the types of sentence. Some sentences are given to you and you will write down their name. It means what kind of sentences they are. Is that clear, students? Okay. So first, we have finished our work. The sentence which provide us some information, we call the type of sentence declarative or assertive. Is that clear? So it's a assertive. Okay. Second one, do you go to school? When we see question mark in any sentence and it start with helping verb, it is called interrogative. Is that clear, students? Open the window. Simple beta. One thing I want to tell you. Remember this thing. मैम ने क्या बताया था, ये आपको अच्छे तरीके से याद रखना है. बेटा, listen to me. जो सेंटेंस मेन वर्ब से शुरू होता है. अब आप पूछेंगे मैम मेन वर्ब क्या होता है? देखो, कुछ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होती हैं हमारे पास. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती हैं हमारे पास. इज, एम, आर, was, were, है ना, do, does, did, shall, will. These are the helping verb. And some word we see like write, speak, है ना, write, speak, run, laugh, weep. So there are a difference between them. These are helping verb and these are main verb. So listen, when your teacher says stand up, take out your notebook, sit down, do your work, in this sentence we find that the sentence start with main verb. Is that clear? So when the sentence start with main verb, we call them sentence imperative. What we call them? Imperative. Is that clear? Okay. If we find exclamatory sign in any sentence, the simple sentence is exclamatory. Exclamatory. How old are you? The same I have told you. It is interrogative. Pongal is a harvest festival. It is giving us information. It is assertive or we can say declarative. Open the window. Command in that or request maybe. So it is imperative. How fast he is running? It is exclamatory. Student, I think this question is totally clear to you. Now in your book, here is a question number A. You have to do according to this question. Is that clear? You will do it in book itself. Need not to write down in notebook. Now come on the second question. Change the following sentences as indicated. Beta, for doing this question you have to know one thing. What is this thing? This thing is that आपको सबसे पहले सेंटेंस का टाइप रिकॉग्नाइज करना आना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? जब आप सेंटेंस का टाइप रिकॉग्नाइज करोगे ना बेटा, then you can solve this question. Then you can change interrogative to negative, negative to interrogative, or negative to simple, or simple to negative, simple to interrogative. You can change all type of sentences. First you have to know what kind of sentence we have written. Now see, they have arrived. In that simple, it is subject, have arrived, helping verb, and main verb. Okay? So, just try to understand. To make an interrogative sentence, we just put the helping verb first. We just put the helping verb have and we start every sentence with capital letter. Is that clear, student? Okay, beta? Is that clear? So, have they arrived? It is very simple to change in and question mark. Put the question mark. It is compulsory. When you will not put question mark, the answer will wrong. So, interrogative, first we put helping verb with capital letter, then subject and the main verb. Is that clear, student? The second question is Neha happy today? Simple. Neha is the name of person. So, we will put the person first, Neha. Is that clear? Is. Helping verb, happy today. And at last, full stop. Because it is simple sentence. Okay? It is simple. Or simple we can say assertive. Simple को हम assertive भी कह सकते हैं. I hope you understand well both the question and the same question. It is here on page number 12. Change the following sentence as directed, indicated. So beta, you just try to do it. If you find any problem, you just drop a message on WhatsApp group. We will sort out your problem as soon as possible. Now the question third is there. You have to make the sentence of same kind. There is a question 3. Some sentences are given. You have to make the same kind of sentence. You will do these questions yourself. Okay? Till then, stay safe, stay home.